Okay, I just wanted to speak to you guys for a few minutes about auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are helping verbs, extra verbs that we add to sentences to help things along. And in the simple past, we use the auxiliary verb to do quite regularly. We use do to ask questions, and it also helps us to create negative sentences. Yeah. So with a question, obviously in the simple past, we would have to use do in the past form, which is did. So did you buy a book yesterday? So you will notice that in the simple past form with your questions, do is in the simple past and your main verb becomes an infinitive. So it's did plus an infinitive to ask a question. Now with your negatives, I'm sure you guys know how to contract do and not into didn't. Yeah. And likewise, in a negative sentence, did plus not, I didn't, is then followed by the infinitive form. So no, I didn't buy a book yesterday. Yep. So it's important that you understand how the auxiliary verb do works within the past simple tense.